Good morning all. Today I am going to discuss about antioxidants. To mitigate the harmful or damaging effects of free radicals, the aerobic cells have developed antioxidant defense system. Coming to the definition of the antioxidant, biological antioxidant may be defined as a substance present in low concentration compared to an oxidizable substrate that significantly delays or inhibits oxidation of a substrate. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that transfer electrons or hydrogens from a substrate to an oxidizing agent. Oxidation reaction can produce free radicals, and these starts chain reaction that damage cells. The production of free radicals and their neutralization by antioxidants is a normal bodily process. Antioxidants terminate these chain reaction by removing free radical intermediates and inhibit other oxidation reaction. Antioxidant may be considered as a scavengers of free radicals. Coming to the classification of antioxidants, there are different ways of classifying antioxidant. Antioxidants in relation to lipid peroxidation, they are divided into two types: preventive antioxidant, chain breaking antioxidant. Preventive antioxidant that will block the initial production of free radicals. Examples of the preventive antioxidant: catalase, glutathione, chain breaking antioxidant that inhibits the propagative phase of lipid peroxidation. The examples of the chain breaking antioxidant: SOD, superoxide dismutase, vitamin E, and uric acid. Antioxidant, according to their location, they are divided into three types: plasma antioxidant, cell membrane antioxidant, intracellular antioxidant. Antioxidant present in the cell are called plasma antioxidant. Examples of the plasma antioxidants: beta carotene, ascorbic acid, bilirubin, uric acid, ceruloplasmin, transferrin. The antioxidant present in the cell membrane are called cell membrane antioxidant. Example of the cell membrane antioxidant: alpha tocopherol. Intracellular antioxidant. Antioxidant present within the cell are known as intracellular antioxidants. Examples of the intracellular antioxidant: superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase. Antioxidant, according to their nature and action, they are divided into enzymatic antioxidant, non-enzymatic antioxidants. Examples of the enzymatic antioxidant: superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase, glutathione reductase. Non-enzymatic antioxidants are divided into two types: nutrient antioxidant, metabolic antioxidant. Examples of the nutrient antioxidants: carotenoids, beta carotene, alpha tocopherol, ascorbic acid, selenium. And examples of the metabolic antioxidant: glutathione, ceruloplasmin, albumin, bilirubin, transferrin, ferritin, uric acid. The antioxidant enzyme system. Superoxide dismutase, it converts superoxide to hydrogen peroxide and oxygen. This is the first line of defense to protect cells from the injurious effect of superoxide. Superoxide dismutase converts superoxide to hydrogen peroxide and oxygen. Catalase. Hydrogen peroxide produced by superoxide dismutase is metabolized by the catalase. Catalase converts hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen. Glutathione peroxidase. It detoxifies hydrogen peroxide to water, while reduced glutathione is converted to oxidized glutathione. The reduced glutathione can be regenerated by the enzyme glutathione reductase utilizing NADPH. NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. Glutathione peroxidase, it detoxifies hydrogen peroxide to water, while reduced glutathione is converted to oxidized glutathione. The reduced glutathione can be regenerated by the enzyme glutathione reductase utilizing NADPH. Next, nutrient antioxidant, tocopherols, vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat soluble vitamin. Among the tocopherols, alpha tocopherol is biologically most active. It is an antioxidant present in all cell membranes and protects against lipid peroxidation. Alpha tocopherol can directly act on oxyradicals and thus serves as an important chain breaking antioxidant. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water soluble non B complex vitamin. It participates in many normal metabolic reactions of the body, and vitamin C is present in biological fluids. Vitamin C efficiently scavenges free radicals and inhibits lipid peroxidation. It also promotes the regeneration of alpha tocopherol. Carotenoids, these are natural compounds with lipophilic properties. About 500 different carotenoids identified. Among them, beta carotene is most important. It can act as an antioxidant under low partial pressure of oxygen. Beta carotene usually functions in association with vitamin C and E. Lycopene. Lycopene is a fat soluble pigment, is a carotenoid. It is responsible for color of certain fruits and vegetables. Example, tomato. Lycopene possesses antioxidant property. Lutein and zeaxanthin are also carotenoid pigment that impact pigments also serve as antioxidants. Selenium. Selenium, it is an essential trace element and is proved to be a significant antioxidant. Selenium works with vitamin E in fighting free radicals. It is also required for the function of an important antioxidant enzyme, namely glutathione peroxidase. Alpha lipoic acid. Alpha lipoic acid is a vitamin-like compound produced in the body besides the supplies from plant and animal sources. Recycling other important antioxidants such as ascorbic acid, D-tocopherol and glutathione. Manganese, copper and zinc are required for the function of an important antioxidant enzyme, namely superoxide dismutase. Consumption of a variety of nutrient antioxidant is important since each antioxidant targets certain type of damaging metabolic antioxidant. Glutathione. Glutathione, it is a tripeptide made up of 3 amino acids, namely cysteine, glutamic acid and glycine. The reduced glutathione plays a key role in the biological antioxidant enzyme system. Reduced glutathione and hydrogen peroxides are the twin substrate for glutathione peroxidase. The reduced glutathione gets regenerated from the oxidized glutathione through the participation of glutathione reductase and NADPH. It is suggested that the ability to synthesize reduced glutathione decreases as age advances, and this has been implicated in certain diseases, examples cataract. Other metabolic antioxidant, uric acid. Uric acid is a 2,6,8 trioxypurine. Uric acid is the final excretory product of purine metabolism in humans, a powerful scavenger of singlet oxygen and hydroxy radicals. Ceruloplasmin. Ceruloplasmin inhibits iron and copper dependent lipid peroxidation. Transferrin. Transferrin binds to iron and prevents iron catalyzed free radical formation. Albumin. Albumin is a plasma protein. Albumin can scavenge the free radicals formed on its surface. Bilirubin. Bilirubin is the end product of heme metabolism. It protects the albumin bound free fatty acid from peroxidation. Heptoglobin. Heptoglobin is a protein produced by the liver, binds to free hemoglobin and prevents the acceleration of lipid peroxidation. Levels of antioxidant action. Antioxidants capable of neutralizing free radicals are their action at the following levels: prevention, interception, repair. Preventive antioxidant attempt to stop the formation of reactive oxygen species. These include superoxide dismutase that catalyze the dismutation of superoxide to hydrogen peroxide and catalase that breaks it down to water. Interception of free radicals is mainly by radical scavenging, while at the secondary level scavenging of peroxy radicals are affected. The effectors includes various antioxidants like vitamin C and E, glutathione, other thiol compounds, carotenoids, flavonoids. At the repair and reconstitution level, mainly repair enzymes are involved, example ligase enzymes. Here some of the antioxidants dietary sources. Vitamin E, tocopherols, unprocessed vegetable oils, cottonseed oils, peanut oil, sunflower oils, whole grains, leafy vegetables, legumes are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin C present in citrus fruits, orange, grapes, green vegetables, cauliflower, and beta carotene, carotenoids, green fruits and vegetables, spinach, turnip. Next, lycopene, tomatoes and their products are rich in lycopene. Lutein and zeaxanthin, egg yolk, fruits, green leafy vegetables, green peas, seafoods, meats are rich in selenium. Alpha lipoic acid, red meat, liver, yeast. Coenzyme Q10, organ meats, beef, chicken. N-acetyl cysteine, available as supplement or drug. Catechins, green tea. Curcuminoids, turmeric. Quercetin, onions, red wine, green tea. Hesperidin, citrus fruits, lemon. And functions of the antioxidant. Vitamin C and vitamin E boosts our immune system. Antioxidants lowers the level of LDL cholesterol, thus preventing plaque deposition in the blood vessel. It is beneficial in cancer prevention. Antioxidants neutralize substance that can damage the genetic material by oxidation. Some of the antioxidants used as therapeutic agents, which include vitamin E, vitamin C, dimethyl thiourea, dimethyl sulfoxide, and allopurinol. Commercial use of antioxidant. Antioxidants are regularly used in food industry to increase the shelf life of products. Commercially used food preservatives are vitamin E, propyl gallate, butylated hydroxyazole, and butylated hydroxytoluene. They prevent oxidative damage of oils, particularly those containing polyunsaturated fatty acids, and prevent rancidity. Importance of antioxidants in human body. Antioxidants improve quality of sleep and support respiratory system, maintain healthy vision, reduce obesity, protect the liver. Antioxidants maintain good dental health, and antioxidants offer protection against digestive disorders, and antioxidants improve nervous system functioning. Antioxidants support the immune system and improve defense power of the body. Antioxidants improve reproductive function, and antioxidants support kidney function. Antioxidants have anti-aging effect. Thank you.